Hello children, let us know about universal indicator. It is used to know the strength of acid or base. It is mixture of several indicators. It is a mixture of several indicators such as water, propanol, methyl red, phenolphthalein, sodium salt, sodium hydroxide, etc. Once again, it is a mixture of several indicators such as water, propanol, methyl lead, phenolphthalein, sodium salt, sodium hydroxide, etc. It shows different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. pH scale. A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration is called pH scale. In pH, P stands for potenge. P stands for potenge. It is a German word. The meaning of this word is power. Power. And H stands for hydrogen ion concentration. That means pH is nothing but power of hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. pH value of a solution is a simply number which indicates the acidic or basic nature of solution. You can see the numbers here. You can see pH paper on the screen. The pH of neutral solution is 7. The pH value less than 7. The pH value less than 7 on the pH scale represent an acidic solution, and the pH value greater than 7 on the pH scale represent basic solution. The pH scale is from 0 to 14. As the pH value increases from 0 to 14 represents a decrease in hydronium ions concentration or hydrogen ion concentration. As hydronium ion concentration decreases, simultaneously the hydroxide ion, that is OH minus ion concentration increases. As hydronium ion concentration decreases, simultaneously the hydroxide ion concentration increases. Mathematically, pH is equals to minus log H plus ion concentration. Just observe the figure. The concentration of hydrogen ions, you can see 10 power 0, 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3, and so on. This negative sign indicates as pH value increases, the hydrogen ion concentration decreases, like 10 power 0, 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3, and so on. To avoid the negative powers of hydrogen ion concentration in dilute acid and base solutions, Sorensen introduced the concept of pH. Due to this, the pH concept may be restricted to solutions of hydrogen ion concentration less than 1 molar, that is 10 power minus 1 equals to 0.1 mole. 10 power minus 2 is equals to 0.001 mole. As we know, the pH scale is from 0 to 14. The pH is an indication of hydrogen ion concentration. If pH is 0, then hydrogen ion concentration equals to 1 mole. Let us find out it. Given that pH is equals to 0, substitute this value in this equation. Therefore, minus log hydrogen ion concentration is equals to 0, or log hydrogen ion concentration equals to 0. Log hydrogen ion concentration is equals to, this 0 can be written as log 10. Log 10. On comparing, sorry, not log 10, log 1. Therefore H plus ion concentration equals to 1 mole. If pH equals to 0, then hydrogen ion concentration equals to 1 mole. Typically, the hydrogen ion concentration in water in most solutions falls between a range of 10 power 0, that is 1 mole, and 10 power minus 14 mole. For the hydrogen ion concentration 10 power 0, the pH value is equals to 0. For 10 power minus 14 hydrogen ion concentration, the pH value is about 14. So the pH value starts from 0 up to 14. Thank you.